Hi there, I'm Tracey Newman from Bean Ninjas, and today I'd like to talk to you about what we call omnichannel accounting. Omnichannel is a reasonably new buzzword developed, I think, in the e-commerce industry to describe a business that sells their product using a number of different channels. So, a typical setup could involve selling through a shopping cart, such as Shopify. The business may also sell through Amazon and maybe some other marketplaces. Here in Australia, some popular ones are Etsy, Catch of the Day, Kogan. In addition, the business may sell B2B, which stands for business to business, or what we also call wholesale. And then finally, you may see the business selling using, again, another buzzword, bricks and mortar, which means that they're selling using traditional shop fronts where customers come in physically, buy a product, and take it out, and they're using a point of sale system. Now, all of this sounds very understandable, but imagine trying to flowchart and understand those processes and bring that information from all of those different channels into Xero. As you can appreciate, there really is nothing that's been designed that we're aware of yet that accurately captures all of that information and puts it into Xero in a way that's easy to bookkeep with. The best approach that we've seen so far is for the business to introduce an inventory solution, something like Deer or Sin7 or Unleashed. And we call this a consolidator. And what a consolidator does is aggregate all of the different sales orders by shopping channel, for example, or distribution channel. And then you can have an integration from that consolidator into Xero. But even that is problematic in that the API integrations between inventory products and Xero don't work the way that we accountants would love to see them work. And as a result, we may use part of that integration for a particular distribution channel and develop a different solution for another piece of the business. So, to summarize, omnichannel is very, very complicated, and designing a bookkeeping solution for an omnichannel environment is bespoke. And we need to really look at your e commerce business individual situation to put in place a process that's optimal for you.